Hi guys, today we're just feeding these birdies. Let's put it inside his house. Just a little bit some for this side first. It's okay guys, rabbit's fine. A little bit some. Mom. The other. Okay, Mom. Mom, guys. You almost finished. It's getting brighter.
Yeah. How about the other side too?
I get it ready.
Okay.
Again?
Okay, done. Okay, now let's hang them up.
Careful. Don't drop the whole rice. The leg is heavy. This is okay. He got it. Hanger.
Gonna put them right here and wait for the birdies to come. Right?
Yeah.